First step, visit the official website using any web browser. Click on Download IObit Uninstaller. After the downloading has finished, open the file from Downloads and run it. It will prompt confirmation to make changes to your system. Click on Yes. It will start the installation, and once it is completed, it will be like the image shown below. Click on Finish. Select the software that you want to uninstall. Now, please select Automatically Remove Residual Files. It will automatically start uninstalling your unwanted software. In this section, you can see delete all files that are automatically installed by software. OK, now successfully uninstall your software. And you can reinstall again or fresh installation process. Thanks for watching.